So at any one time, the machine has a head which is positioned over one of the squares on the tape. With this head, the machine can perform three very basic operations. In short, it can read, it can write, or edit the symbol, it can write, and it can move. They are the three short things that it can do. Read, write, and move. Okay, so when I go back here to this diagram I got you take down right at the start, here are the three, the rule. We can read, if we read a B, we want to write a B, and then we want to move the tape to the right. Now this is not the tape, this is only a state diagram. I will be showing you the tape shortly, but this is not the tape. But if we read a B on the tape, we're going to write a B, and then we're going to move to the right. If we read a B when we're in state 1, we're going to write a B, move to the right. If we read a 1 when we're in state 1, we're going to write a B, move to the right on the tape, and we're actually going to transition here to state 2. But more about that in a moment.